How to create a pie chart with only measures. I have a data source with 3 measures in it, value 1, value 2, and value 3. Let's take a look at how to build a pie chart with these 3 values. I'm going to start by dragging value 1 to the text shelf, and then dragging value 2 on top where it says show me. That gives me measure names and measure values. Let's put value 3 into the measure value shelf, and we can turn this into a pie chart. Let's bring measure names onto detail, change this to a pie chart. Measure values goes onto angle, and a copy of measure values goes onto size. And we can move measure names onto color. That gives us a pie chart using 3 measure values. Hope this helps.